I'm Haya.
This is a picture from the weekend when I went to an insect eco center. I tried the Dr. Fish experience. Dr. Fish eats that skin, so when I put my hands in the water, they gathered around my hands. On the weekend, I went to the Independence Hall with my parents. I took a picture next to a statue of people who did the independence movement for Korea. Every winter I go to a sledding hill. When I go down the hill on a sled, it is thrilling and makes me feel very excited. This is a water playground I went to this summer. There are many water playgrounds like this in Korea. We can cool down and enjoy playing in the water for free. In Korea, you can see cosmos flowers in autumn. Cosmos is my favorite flower, so I took a picture in front of them.